talk about how can you enable Brainless answers notifications on your Brainly app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on profile down here and just click on profile. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to print list answers. So just click in this sign here. Now like you see this color show for us, that's mean print list answers notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.